Good morning, students. Today we'll starting our chapter number 11, The Magic Pot. English semester B book. Okay. Page number 141. The Magic Pot. Imagine that your pencil is a magic wand. Magic wand, I wish for. Magic wand, I wish for an aeroplane so that I can fly to new lands. Now reading junction. Once upon a time, there was a little girl in a village. Her name was Sophie. She lived with her mother. They were very poor. One day, they had nothing to eat. Sophie sat under a tree in the woods and cried. Suddenly, an old woman appeared. "Why are you crying, my child?" she asked kindly. "We have no foods to eat and I am very hungry," Sophie said. The old woman smiled and gave her a pot. She said, "This is a magic pot, my child. If you tell the pot, 'Cook, little pot, cook,' the pot will cook porridge for you. If you say, 'Stop, little pot, stop,' it will stop cooking." Sophie took the pot home. She and her mother ate porridge as much as they wanted. Sophie soon went out to play. After a while, her mother felt hungry. Again, she asked the pot to cook porridge. She happily ate the porridge, but forget to instruct the pot to stop cooking. The pot went on cooking. Soon the house was full of porridge. The porridge flowed out into the street as well. Sophie saw the porridge. She ran home and quickly said the magic words. The pot stopped cooking. The villagers were very surprised to see so much porridge flowing out of Sophie's house. Sophie told them about the magic pot and also shared it with them. From that day on, no one ever went hungry in the village. Now, did you all understood this story? In this story, the girl name is Sophie and she is living with her mother in a village, and they were very poor people. So one day they were not having anything to eat. So she was crying under the tree. Suddenly one woman appeared to Sophie, and that old lady was asking her, "What happened, my child?" Then Sophie told, "We don't have food to eat. हमारे पास खाना नहीं है." Then Sophie said, "We don't have food to eat." The old woman said, "Okay, I will give you one pot. In that pot, when you will say, 'Cook, little pot, cook,' like that if you will say, then food will come out. And if you will say, 'Stop, little pot, stop,' then that cooking will stop." Then सोफ़ी ने क्या किया, अपने घर पे इसी तरह से बोला और उसके बाद में उन लोगों ने पेट भर के पोरिडेज खाया। खाने के बाद वो बाहर खेलने चली गई। उसके बाद उसकी मम्मी को फिर से भूख लगी, तो उसकी मम्मी ने फिर से कहा कि कुक लिटिल पॉट कुक। अब वो खाना बन रहा है और वो खा रही है, बट वो ये बोलना भूल गई कि स्टॉप लिटिल पॉट स्टॉप। ये बोलना भूल गई, तो उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ, उनके पूरे घर में बहुत सारा पॉरिडेज आ गया। इस तरह से बहुत सारा पॉरिडेज आ गया। तो जो गांव में लोग रहते थे विलेज में, वो सब सरप्राइज्ड हो गए ये देख के कि अरे इतना सारा खाना कहाँ से आ गया, पॉरिडेज तो फुल हो गया हमारे घर में पूरा। सोफ़ी भाग के गई और अपने घर पे वो 3 मैजिक वर्ड्स बोली, स्टॉप लिटिल कुकिंग स्टॉप, स्टॉप लिटिल पॉट स्टॉप। ऐसे बोलने के बाद वो खाना बनाना पॉट बंद कर देता है। सारे विलेजर्स बहुत सरप्राइज हो जाते हैं कि अरे ये कैसा है, ये तो मैजिक पॉट है। उस दिन के बाद से उनके विलेज में से कोई भी कभी भी भूखा नहीं जाता है। सो ये एक स्टोरी है, आप लोगों को समझ में आई? Okay, I will send you notes and I will tell you how to write. Thank you.